Hi everyone, really quick one today. This video is in response to a YouTube user called Kamungus. Hi Kamungus, how you doing? They asked, what does Sinevibes Finite sound like when you're moving the parameter controls really quickly? They wanted to get an idea of the range. So I've set up a few loops and things on my DAW, predominantly just sort of synth loops and a few sort of guitar feedback and piano loops coming from they're sort of standard Reason Rex files, and I'm just going to record them, see how it goes. I'll start off, I'll play the loop through once or twice just with the mix completely dry, and then we'll add some in. So if you see me doing this, that's what I'm doing, I'm adding the mix in. Remember, on Sinevibes Finite, we've got the pitch control is A and the feedback control is B. Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, so I hope that was useful. Great, thanks.